What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota CHR remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Toyota CHR vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our screwdriver and we take our key fob and we hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and then we come down here near this key ring, if you can see there's a little bit of a notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key in that back cover. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like that, and then just pry up on that back cover. Get that cover off of there, and then we see there's this orange cover right here. And it has this piece that sticks up in the middle that you can kind of just grab like this. Get that off of there, and now we see our battery right here. And in this battery holder, there's a little bit of a notch that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver right there. It'll allow you to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Once we get our old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Go ahead and pop it down in that holder like that. And then we'll grab this orange cover, put that on there. Make sure that's seated all the way down in there. And then we can pop this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.